In this video, I'm going to share my personal impressions of the Dragonheir Silent God. Since I actually played her like maybe 5 or 6 days, there was a days that I actually skipped, but anyway, this is my first impression. First, I'm going to start with the graphics. Very nice graphics in my opinion. I mean, for this game, and yeah, maybe some of the things when you go, for example, here in the campaigning, I don't think is great the graphics, but still I think is very great graphics. The next thing is actually the game, the dungeons, the monsters, the rats, and everything. I think is very nice. I think is very nice, and the idea behind, I also like it, and I'll explain why. Just moving your heroes and you can grab different stuffs and going to the different dungeons. Of course, you have a stamina. In every game there is some kind of limitation, since everybody can enjoy it. I mean, if you have unlimited stamina the people who have more free time are going to be far ahead from you. So definitely, yes, stamina is important, but I think with this map, I'm still struggling from time to time to actually go and find something. But the game actually provides you with very fast ways to just directly jump on the zone you want. For example, if you want to go here, fast travel. If you want to go here, teleport circle. Basically every dungeon, every place here, somehow you can actually teleport. Now the map is little big in my opinion, and it's little hard maybe for somebody to actually explore that, but this is very big map, and you definitely have a lot of time to explore that. And for me this is very interesting, since the most of the games I actually play is games where you have a castle and there is just not much to go over, and there is some events, you level up, the new events is opening. Here you have a map and you can basically go everywhere, and this is the interesting part. Also, you have your heroes. I mean, you can basically see your heroes moving around. A lot of free stuffs on the way. I love free stuffs. And in your game progression, you're going to get, for example, summonings. So there is going to be some kind of competition. And we have arena, we have different dungeons, we have dungeons for experience, we have dungeons for shard to level up these heroes. There is basically a lot of stuff. So this is so far for the map, and the dungeons are very interesting. Also the battle, when the battle start with something, some monster, you can actually control this battle, or if this battle is way too easy and you don't want to spend time controlling your heroes, you can actually use auto, and this is very nice. So this is so far my impression from the map and from the heroes, but yeah, still I'm not so in deep with the heroes. For example, fire element, all these things is just need some, how to say it, some introduction in everything. So I'm playing and introduce myself with the different parts from this game, and so far from what I see, I think I like it. And yeah, maybe there is people who is further in the game, some of the things are clear for them, but still I'm on the progression to actually check out what I can have and what I can achieve. So far the game is very interesting. This is my first impression. I mean, this is my first 5 days in the game, or maybe a little more, but yeah, so far I like everything what I see. Again, there is some complexity stuff that I'm not so sure I totally understand fully, and yeah, there is a games that there's a games that I play over 1 year and I still don't understand everything there. But anyway, I think the game is great, and yeah, huge thumbs up for this game. And this is my first impression of Dragonheir Silent Gods.